Hey boys and girls, today we're going to be learning how to create pixel art, filling in cells, which are the little blocks on Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a spreadsheet software that you can use for many different things, but today we're going to learn how to fill in the cells on Google Sheets. So we're going to read these directions, which tells us we need to go on Google, find an example of pixel art, then we're going to open the Google Sheet, take a look at it, and we're going to go back and forth between the Google Sheet and our Google search and recreate what we found on Google. So let's load up the Google Sheet. As you can see, it has many squares, or they're also known as cells, and we're going to fill these cells with color. So let's go to Google and see if we can find ourselves something that we'd like to remake on Google Sheets. So I'm going to type in a search for Sonic pixel art. I like Sonic the Hedgehog. I'm going to click images. Alright, looks like there's quite a few. Some of them are going to be a little bit easier than others. Like this one's pretty simple, and then this one over here looks a little bit more difficult. But then there are some that are definitely more difficult. The ones that you can't really tell as pixel art very much, I would stick away from those. So try to find ones that you can tell is made of squares and pixels. How about Among Us? I know that's a pretty popular game. Let's see what we can find. Ooh, this one looks pretty simple and pretty fun to do. So I think I'm going to click this red guy. So I'm going to click this red one from Among Us. And you can tell that he is made up of many different pixels. So we're going to try to recreate this using the fill-in tool on Google Sheets. Alright, let's take a look and see how much room we might need. You can see there's many cells, and let's see how tall he is at the biggest point. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's about 15 long. So we know we shouldn't start at the very top because we might run out of room. So I think when we go back to Google Sheets, I'm going to start somewhere right in the middle. And I'm going to go from left to right. So let's see, the first two, let's go back and see what those were. Let's see, I think they're probably black. So let's make those black real quick. So I filled in 2 black squares, or 2 black cells, just like that. See, 1, 2. Now the next one has 2 black, 1, 2. Click the fill bucket, choose, fill bucket, not the letter. Fill bucket, alright, black. Then it goes 2 light blue. So the next 2 underneath those 2 black ones we just made are going to be light blue. I'll choose this one, that looks good. And then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 black squares in a row. So I'm going to drag down 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to go to the fill bucket and click black. Alright, we're moving on. Alright, the next one starts with 2 black, which are a little bit in an angle, plus a blue and then a white. Let's see, 2 black. Blue, white, blue, and gray, and black. So I'll do blue, white, blue, gray, black. So you're going to be going back and forth between tabs, which is okay. That's good practice. So blue, white, blue, gray. Now there's a couple different grays, so let's see which one I want. This one? Sure, that looks good. And then black, then a light red, and then it goes to dark red, and then black. So, black, light red, right here is good. Light red, I think. Yep, a couple light reds and then some dark reds and then black. Okay. I can go back and forth and double check. Not a problem. So, got some dark red and black. Alright, let's continue on. Black, red, black, white, white, blue. So, let's see, here's on an angle. See, between these two, it's kind of not aligned with each other. So just up one, right? So we're going to go black, red, black, white, white. Black. Right there. Yep, there we go. Up, there we go. Black. Red. I think it was the light red. Yeah, it was the light red. I gotta go back and change that. Red. Black. Blue. Or no, white, white, blue, gray. So white, white, blue, gray. Alright. So white, white. Blue, gray. So every time I click a square, I go up to the fill bucket and choose the color. So it's not going to fill it until you click the square and then choose the fill bucket. Right, what was our next color here? Black, I believe. Yeah, black, and then some red, and then dark red to make his leg. Black, and then red, and then some dark red. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 dark red, and then a black. 3 dark red, 1, 2, 3. Click the bucket, red, and black. Alright, let's see. Black, red, black, white, white, blue. Kind of similar to the one we just did. Black. Go. Gray, black, red, red, black. Okay. Gray, black, red, red, dark red. I think I need one more dark red. Or no, 2 blacks. Yeah, 2 blacks. Oh. Alright, let's speed this up a little bit. Okay, let's put some finishing touches. Make sure the edge looks good. Make it black from here to there. Perfect. Okay, looks good. Let's compare. Here's mine. Here's the one from Google. I think they look pretty similar. I think I did a pretty good job. It's not perfect, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be. When you're done, click the turn in button, which is right here. And then don't forget to click turn in.